right, guys, we are here with Zach's Integra.
Should I lift this all the way up because of how windy it is?
Just lift up the regular one there. Like I was saying, we're here with Zach's Integra. The car is finally finished, and let me tell you, there is one hell of a story behind it. We will tell you about that later in this video, so please do me a favor and stick around till the end of the video to hear all the trials and tribulations Zach and I have had.
And there was a lot.
There was a lot with this freaking engine.
If you want to get out of cars?
Yeah. Basic build down or build breakdown is a CRV 2.0 liter short block with a GSR P72 head with brand new valves in it, and all that good stuff. Skunk 2 intake, basic bolt-ons, long tube headers, all that stuff.
Basic bolt-ons.
Yeah. So basically, this is called a Frankenstein build, a Frankenstein B2B VTEC or whatever.
B20V.
B20V is what this is called. And the last time he was on the dyno with the B18 C1 engine that blew up, he made 170 and like 135 foot-pounds of torque.
I made 170, 121.
170, 121 at the wheels.
All we did with that was we just messed with the fuel regulator
and the distributor a little bit. So we decided it'd be a good day to get this thing back on the dyno real quick, do a couple pulls, 1 or 2, 3 pulls, check air fuel, and make sure it doesn't blow up. And if it does, you'll be seeing that at the end of the video as well, I guess.
Keith, I want you to take it to rev limiter.
Oh, jeez.
8,300
Don't tell
RPM.
Keith that. He'll be like, I'll full send this son bitch. I don't care.
It'll go to 80.
He's like, the day we've been having.
Yeah.
And we've been having one hell of a dyno day today, guys. Let me tell you. It's been interesting.
What about the fans?
I don't think we're going to need fans, you think?
Probably not.
Nah,
Yeah, I doubt
it's like
it.
35 degrees. We ain't going to need no fans.
I don't think it's gonna get hot.
It's not even worth it. Oh, you got the blocks in the back? Hey, when we dynoed it the last time, did we have that other intake on?
Yeah.
We didn't have the wheel penis on that
That's
last
a little
time?
loose.
No, it's fine.
It's a little loose.
No, that's just the rubber.
Dude, we literally got the car.
Yeah, rubber's a little loose, but
this was on the dyno in like 2 weeks after getting the car. It had the
definitely.
short header on it and everything.
Gosh, I hope you guys are excited to see what this thing puts down. What's your guesses, Zach, realistically?
Realistically,
Yeah.
well, I'm hearing, so I've heard mixed opinions. I've heard some people say they make like 200 horse
At the wheel?
at the wheel, about 190, 200, but other people are saying they make like 150, 140. It's like the internet is like
Well,
a perfect 50-50. And people say
I guess we're going to teach the internet the truth
people
today.
say they make more power, and then other people say they make less power than the 1.8 liters.
Well, like I said, I think we're going to be teaching
Everybody agrees though they make more torque.
We're gonna teach the internet the truth today. I know Keith's excited to drive this beast of a
I
machine.
mean, it's literally the same exact setup, 1.8 liter
Oh,
to 2.0.
this thing's so blown
The only
up.
difference is 1.8 liter to 2.0.
Kaboom. Here we go, guys. First pull. See if she goes complamo. If she does, we have a tow rollback on the way. Sure. Let it warm up a little bit. Oh yeah, it's smoking. It's fucking cold. Alright. Yeah. Blowing out the carbon. I guess fourth. It's a fight unless it's third. Whatever 1-to-1 is. I'm assuming third or fourth. Here we go. All right, let's see how lean she's. What's up? Oh, does it? Is it running lean? Oh wow, it's dogged. Yeah, we definitely got to turn the fuel pressure up. That's for sure. Well, 116, 123 torque.
I left off that.
On STD, and he left off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you left over $5 grand.
Yeah.
So let's turn.
Too lean.
We gotta turn up the fuel pressure.
Yeah, turn it up. What do you need?
All right, round number 2. Fuel pressure is up. Let's see what she did. Still lean?
Yeah.
Oh, it's definitely richening up.
Yeah.
Not enough.
Yeah, it's definitely richening up. Yeah, you're not even near yet.
No.
Yeah, it got boring.
That's 14.
Tell me what you want me to do.
Does it looks like it levels out at 14?
Yeah. Could dive a tad bit more.
I don't know how much more I can add. All right, air fuels are like 14, so we're gonna full send it all the way to 8 grand. Yeah, smoking. What's up?
It shut down at 5,500.
Oh, did
I
it?
gotta get the torque. Yeah, the torque's not reading.
Oh, isn't it? I mean, air fuel is still looking where it needs to be.
Yeah, let me try something.
Okay. Didn't tighten it up when they built the car.
You did that line.
I did not do that line. We just have a little bit of a coolant leak here we gotta address.
What do you need?
No, just a flathead screwdriver. Go get a flathead screwdriver real quick, Zach. All right, we repositioned the tack signal wire to get a better reading of everything, and we fixed the coolant light leak, so that's fixed too. So hopefully we make some power and we can take it up to 8 grand. But we only went up to 5,500. You excited? Oh God, here we go. Doggy. Well, she didn't blow up yet.
Get ready for that time.
166,
166,
166, 128, guys, or 129. I think that's about as good as it's going to get right now.
It needs more fuel.
It needs more fuel, and we definitely didn't even adjust the spark or anything, but it definitely is running lean.
Now what?
166, we're done.
Really?
Yep, that was it.
Not gonna do nothing else?
No.
Oh man!
How much did it make?
166, 129. Did you say turn the VTEC up?
How's that possible?
We haven't.
Can't be good.
Oh, something's dripping down there.
On the block?
Oh no, you know what it is? It's this right here.
Well, I see you got a lot of blow by here.
Yeah, there's a lot of blue. That's why we put the catch can on. Yeah, I think it's just the dipstick tube.
We're definitely not making the home key.
Oh, something's leaking under here.
Is it oil?
Oh, it's antifreeze.
What did it make before?
170.
And 121.
Yeah, there's plugs and shit back here too that we need to probably deal with.
Yeah, I made one.
Landed to the floor, and that's
What's that?
it's definitely 14.0.
14.0's, yeah, 14.0, 14.5 is really lean. So we definitely have a lot of things to address on this vehicle. But at least we know it goes to 8 grand, right?
Yep.
You go to 8 grand? How far did you go up on this sucker?
About 75.
7,500, yeah, 7,500 RPM. Start breaking up. So she definitely needs tuning, which we unfortunately just don't have the capabilities of doing. You know what I mean? We don't have any way of tuning it. It does have a chipped PCM or ECU, but it's not worth anything, to be honest. We'd rather have Honda or something of that nature.
Y'all want to sponsor us over there at Honda?
Yeah, I highly doubt Honda is going to sponsor this hunk of junk, to be honest. But not bad, 166 with shit pissing all over the place.
Yeah.
You probably need some antifreeze hoses is probably what's going on. So probably some of the hoses back there probably are loose, and when you're going wide open throttle, it's building up that pressure, you know what I mean?
Everywhere.
And it's spraying it everywhere. That's all it is, dude. So we gotta fix that. Now we know at least.
Yeah, that sucks. It didn't even explode.
And it didn't explode.
That's
Keith,
fine.
it didn't explode.
Need this picture.
That's freaking awesome. It didn't even explode, man.
Try harder. Do it in first.
One more PSI. One more PSI.
No, man, just one more degree. It can take it. I know my car.
So at least we know it can do it. The 2.0 liter looks like it's doing good, other than a little
It
dripping,
can definitely do more.
little dripping stuff here and there. But we'll definitely be having this thing back on the dyno for sure.
It can definitely do more.
And Zach and I are going to tell you about all the fun stuff that we got involved with in this build. All the trials and tribulations, guys. So thank you all. Thank you all for sticking around to this point of the video, by the way. If you're liking it and enjoying the shipbox content, do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you can be updated. There's going to be more shipbox content, Caught That Shipbox content with Keith and Zach and me.
Right here.
Well, guys, we're off the dyno and we're heading home. We had a couple other cars that we dyno tuned as well today. Wasn't a good day at the dyno, to be honest. I think Zach's car. Man, that Ford Fusion just smoked your ass.
Yeah. I'm on low boost.
It wasn't a good day at the dyno. I think Zach's car literally was the only car that made a full pass.
And then I made crap numbers.
And it made crap numbers, obviously, as you guys can see. But
I'm really not that bothered.
yeah, I mean, for what it's making, it's not bad. You know what I mean?
Moving.
Well, if a cop gets him, cops gonna get him.
No, they'll get me for my inspection.
Listen, you don't need to speed. Let him speed. Let him speed. So, the little story on this car, right, Zach?
I don't want to talk about it.
Is the head was off how many times? 4 times?
4.
3 times.
Oh, go up.
No, it was not off 5. It was off
6.
4. It was not off 6 times. Every time I talk to him about it, he adds a number.
6 times.
It was off 4 times. So we put the motor in.
It was not all 4 times.
We put the motor in.
I'm way too good at it.
Shut up. We put the motor in. We started up, had no compression on cylinder 1. Found out it had a bent exhaust valve. Took the head back off. Bought a whole new set of valves. Put those on. Put those valves in. Mind you, we didn't lap the valves, which we probably should have. Put the valves in. Put the head back on. No compression. All cylinders. Took the head back off. Had his buddy lap the valves. And then we re-lapped the valves. Put the head back
The head
on.
went on once in between that. 'Cause
Yeah.
He lapped the valves. We put it back on.
And it was still
no compression. Took it back off.
No,
took
it was-
it back to him a second time.
It had very low compression.
It did start.
Yeah.
Then we took it back to my buddy a second time. He did it. Still didn't have compression. So then I did it.
Yeah. So Zach did it. He spent
Disclaimer:
like-
it was not my buddy's fault.
yeah, it wasn't his fault.
It wasn't my friend's fault.
They
He's
just
really
need
good at what he
they
does.
just need to be a little bit more done. That's all. But Zach ended up spending 4 hours doing the exhaust side, and then I ended up slapping the head on while he was at work one night, and got it running for him and had compression. We had 175 to 200 psi each cylinder, so everything was good and it was running. He's been driving it for a
I
couple
have
days
about
now.
500 miles on it right now.
Yeah, he put about 500 miles on it. He knew I was going out to the diner today with a couple other customers' vehicles, and he decided to bring it out, and we slap it on the dyno and do some runs with it, do some pulls. As you guys seen, it put down pretty basic numbers. So at the crank, it's making about 190 to 200 at the crank. Made 166 at the wheels, STD, which ain't bad, you know, for a little 2.0 VTEC. Compared to the B18
It's
C1.
on a really bad tune right now, though.
Well, that's the other thing. The car needs tune.
It's
We
on
either
a
need
really bad tune.
MOS, or we need Honda or AEM or some sort of a tuning software to put on this car to properly dial in the air fuel mixture. And you know, we didn't even mess with the spark or anything.
I need that proper stoic, guys.
Story metric. Yeah, proper story metric. So this is basically on just raising the fuel pressure, honestly.
Yeah.
So we raised the fuel pressure to like 60, which is a lot.
No, we went higher than that.
No, it was 60.
75.
Dad, it was 60. Like 60, 65. Trust me. And that's what made the extra horsepower, basically. So it definitely needs more fuel because air fuel was like 14.5 and it needs to be 13.0s, guys. So that, and we didn't mess around with the distributor like we did the first time we dynoed this car. I'm sure
did two passes.
Yeah, we did like 2-3 passes, that was it. I'm sure if we were to mess around with the distributor a little bit, it probably would have made a couple more horsepower maybe. But we know there's a lot more that needs to be done. It was leaking antifreeze. After the last pass, it was pissing antifreeze from somewhere.
Somewhere on the backside, it just started smoking, so.
Yeah, so we gotta figure that out now. And there's no point in making more passes if it's leaking antifreeze. It's just stupid. So we gotta figure out what's leaking. It's not leaking antifreeze now, just regular driving. It's totally fine regular driving. So, but yeah, that's the story. But other than that, the Integra's back on the road and it's running.
And just so you guys know, even though it's making less power, we're looking at dash sheets and it's making power quicker. Because
yeah,
me and him both noticed it definitely feels faster than it used to be. We weren't sure why, but
it basically makes the same power as it did before,
but 1,000
RPM sooner, which is nice. So it's making the torque and the power that it did before just 1,000 horsepower less than before. That's all. Which I'll take that. That makes it
less.
Yes, I'm sorry, 1,000. 1,000 RPM less, basically, guys. So that's not bad either. Power's coming in quicker and stuff like that, so that's good too. So my arm's starting to hurt here.
Do you need me to hold it?
No, I'm good.
Put it up there.
No. So we're actually on our way home now. It's getting late. We just had dinner. And that's pretty much it on the Integra, guys. We're going to probably do the turbo system on it.
Hopefully before I leave.
Hopefully before he leaves, which his date has changed to July 5th now.
Pushed back.
So he's not leaving until July for the Marine Corps, if you guys are new to the video. Kid over here joined the U.S. Marine Corps. He's going to go maybe fight some Russians. I don't know.
Who knows?
Who knows? I'll go with him. I'll fight some Russians with him. Who cares? Fuck it. Full set.
You got to redo boot camp.
I don't got to redo boot camp. I already did it once.
You got to do it again.
I never have to do it again.
They updated a policy.
I did Marine Corps boot camp once, and that's the last time.
They updated a policy.
I'm good to go.
We're switching to the Army.
I'm good to go. I'll run 20 feet.
Yeah?
Yep. Do one pull-up. Good to go.
Good to go.
All right, guys. Well, there's the story, and I'm sticking to it. But we're going to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do me a favor. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. You can go follow Zach over at the pool. And, yeah, guys. Deuces.